Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, pink color, purple color, green color, orange color, sky blue color, brown color, light green color, blue color, light pink color, yellow color, and black color. So kids, now you draw A. A for apple.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
B for ball. C for cat.
A, B, C, D,
T for dog. It's now you draw E.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
E for elephant.
X, Y, and Z.
F for fish.
Now I know my
G for god.
ABCs. Next
H for
time, won't you
helicopter.
sing with me?
I for ice cream. Okay, so now you draw J. Okay, J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. Okay, so now you draw N. N for nose.
A, B, C, D,
O for orange.
H, I,
P for parrot.
L, M, N, O, P,
Q for queen. It's now you draw R.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time,
R
won't
for
you
rose.
sing with me?
S for sun. T for teacher.
A, B, C,
D for
D, E,
umbrella.
F, G,
It's now you
H,
draw
I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
V for
T,
van.
U, V, W, X,
for
Y,
well.
and Z. Now
X
I
for
know my
telephone.
ABCs.
Y for yo-yo.
Next time, won't you
And
sing
Z for
with
zebra.
me?
Okay, so now you draw numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now you draw 6, 6, 7, 8,
A,
9,
B, C, D, E, F, G,
and 10.
H, I,
Thank you so much
J,
for
K,
watching.
L, M, N, O,
Subscribe to our
P,
channel. See you soon.
Q,
Bye
R,
bye.
S,